flower. Sorry. Here, come on. Come on. Yay! Come here. Yay! Nixie! Yay! Una! Hi! Good work, friends. Good work. Yeah. Good job. Oh, no. Oh, you're always trying to get my lap. All right. Oh. You guys want to walk a little further? Huh? All right. You guys can get in the shade if you come over here. Excellent. Oh, you got the stragglers back there. What? What? Down. Good girl. She said, I love rival. I love the rival dog. She down. I said down. Hey. Down. Right now there's Wally's. I found my mummy. What? What? Who's that? Who's biting my shoe? Oh, it's Una. And someone over here is trying to rip my sweatshirt. Yes. I think we're just a little rude border collie puppies is what I say. I do think so, maybe. Huh? Hey, what are you doing, miss? What? Gypsy, please stop. Nope. Sit.